What's up, guys? How is everyone doing? My name is Iberi, and I am currently documenting my second pregnancy journey. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. For today, I'm sharing core exercises that helps with an easier delivery. I'm starting up on the treadmill, so I do not like boring workouts at all. So every time I have to do something, I try to do something fun with it. So that's why I would never really walk forward on the treadmill alone. So I'll do that, I'll walk side, and then I'll also walk backwards. This is going to serve as my warm up. I'm doing this for about 30 minutes. I'm also taking time off, so I'm not going 30 minutes straight. I'm also taking time off. I come down, catch my breath, and then go back up. I'm just going in tune with my body, but I'm trying to make sure I still do up to 30 minutes. You can tell that I am having a lot of fun with this one. Right after the treadmill, I go into my breathing exercise. So remember, this is deep core for an easier delivery, right? So my breathing exercise is just really simple. So you could do this even lying down, sitting down, or standing. I'm sitting down to do this today. So it's inhale, exhale, focus on the diaphragm. It's really, really simple. So you inhale and exhale consciously, conscious breathing as you go. Some people may ask at how many weeks. You can do this from anytime in pregnancy. It is completely safe for all trimesters. I'm giving a little dance here again. Just having fun with it. Alright. And then this is the second exercise. So watch the form. For some persons, you could decide to bend your knee slightly. Some persons may not have the space or the flexibility to go all the way down. So you can stop halfway. The most important thing for me is that my core is engaged. So I'm trying to keep my core engaged the whole time. So don't just let yourself go. Keep the core engaged. Squeeze at the top. So after each set, I'm actually taking breaks. And then I'm doing this for about 7 reps on each side or lesser, depending on what the body allows you to do. But some people can do as much as 10, but I'm really trying to see if I could do 7 on each side for 3 sets. So I'm shooting in different angles so that you can take note of this of the form. And here we go to dance into the third exercise, right? So the third exercise, watch the form. So it's an opposite direction. The position is that of like a bed dog, but now you're doing rows. So you're using your core to stabilize yourself on the bench. So I'm just using the bench for more intensity, but you could also completely do this on the floor using dumbbells or even without weights. So you could do free weights, you could just roll your arm if you like. Also, I'm trying to get in 7 reps on each side for this. So this really tests your balance while doing this on the bench. It kind of tests my, not kind of, it actually does test the balance. And you can just see me dancing all through in between my sets. And again, I am filming a different angle so that you can see the form and get the form right. Also remember, like I said, you could completely do this on the floor. You don't have to use the bench at all. But if you just want to, challenge yourself a little bit, you could of course go up the bench. Remember to keep the core engaged. Use the core to find your balance, and always have to be the opposite direction. So if you're rolling the right arm, the left leg is up, and then when you switch up on the other side, just like I'm doing right now, the right leg is now up, and I'm going to start rolling on the left side. Notice the movement: squeeze at the top, gently release, squeeze at the top, gently release. So just like that. All right, this is a bonus hanging exercise that I just did. I keep my core engaged even before I jump up, so you could go back and watch the points where I keep my core engaged, and then I'm just hanging there. I'm really not stable anymore because of course the core is not as strong as it used to be before pregnancy, but I'm still trying to show up for myself, right? And then I recorded another angle just for you to see. So for this one, I'm not doing too much at all, just 10 reps, and after this I'll just go down and do cool down stretches, which I did not film, but basically that's the end of the exercise. Do subscribe to my channel to follow my active pregnancy journey. Thank you so much. Bye.